Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this amazing DIY tall, elegant rose cascading centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to thumb up this video, comment your thoughts below, and share this video with a friend. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Also, we are giving away 2 free Cricut machines to 2 of our contestants. If you want to be a part of our giveaway for a chance to win, after this video, go to the elegantcreators.com/Cricut giveaway to apply. Let us know in the comment section if you have applied. Okay, this is the picture where I had pulled my inspiration from. Of course, putting my own spin to it. I also teach that in my Elegant Creators Academy, how you can draw inspiration from pictures. Comment your thoughts below and let me know how did I do. Now I'm going to take my bling wrap. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to the length and size of my wooden dowel and go ahead and hot glue it onto my wooden dowel. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my bling wrap, you see right here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to the size of my wooden dowel, and then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and wrap it around my wooden dowel. This part right here is pretty easy and pretty simple to do. Now you do not want to bling wrap it from all the way on down. You want to leave at least about 3/4 of an inch onto your wooden dowel. You want to add your bling wrap once you're done spray painting your wooden dowel. So I spray painted my wooden dowel white, of course, but however you can choose to spray paint your centerpiece, whatever color you choose to spray paint. I'm gonna take my square foam that I created the hole in the center. You're gonna go ahead and add it to the center of your circle wooden plaque, just like this. And then you're gonna take your dowel that you went ahead and blinged out. You're gonna take some wood glue, add some to the bottom of your dowel, and also add some to the middle of your foam. Be careful because it does get messy. And then you're gonna let it sit and dry for about an hour. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this grape liner. I'm gonna cut it to about the length of the pole, but a slight bit longer than the pole. You're just basically gonna cut it to the desired length and width that you would like for it to be. square wooden plaque, and I am going to use my wood glue to glue it on top. So I'm gonna flip it backwards like this, put a little bit of wood glue. I'm gonna go ahead and take these beautiful blush roses and hot glue it onto the grip liner. Once I am done cutting the grip liner to the desired length and width that I would like, once I'm done wrapping my garland around, I'm gonna take these beautiful blush roses that you see here. I'm just going to fill in any where I see any gaps on my garland. I'm just going to fill them in. So wherever you see a gap, you fill it in with a beautiful blush rose. Next, I'm going to take the blush flowers and I am going to hot glue it onto my foam disc. So I basically just take out the stems and then I just hot glue it onto my floral foam disc. The beautiful thing about doing this floral arrangement is that you can choose to use whatever type of flowers you would like. If you want like a fuller, more thicker look, you can definitely use all hydrangeas instead of using all roses. So it's really your preference. Now we're gonna go ahead and construct the bottom of our floral foam. Once I'm done doing the flower arrangement, I'm gonna take this 12-inch mirror, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue my 12-inch floral foam on top of my mirror. So the reason for me doing this is so the bottom of my floral foam is not showing. Let's say if you have an event, you don't want your guests to look at the construction of the bottom of your flower arrangement. So if they do look underneath it, all they will be seeing is this beautiful mirrored look, and I think it looked absolutely beautiful. You can also choose to spray paint it with a glitter spray paint for a more affordable but still glamorous look underneath your floral foam.